Today we're going to focus on slope. The first thing we want to do is find the slope of a line if they give us 2 points. And let's say we have the points 3, 1, and -5, 8. To find the slope of the line, remember slope is rise over run. That's the y up and down over the x left and right. And to find it, you just use the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You need to know what these values are, so they're up here. They're x1, y1, x2, y2. Then you're just going to plug them in. Remember, when you plug numbers in, always use parentheses. I will expect to see this, and it's really going to help you in the long run. So y2 is 8, minus y1 is 1, and x2 is -5, minus x1, which is 3. The slope is -7/8, and that just means for every 7 this graph goes down, it will go to the right 8. So you count 7 down and 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your slope. That's the slope of this line. You're also asked to determine which line is steeper. And what this just means is what it sounds like. Which line is steeper if you have 2 slopes? So let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Let me erase this really fast. Okay, so slopes have a value from 0 to infinity, 0 to -infinity, like this. If a slope has a value closer to 0, so like 1/2, 3/4, 1, these are going to have smaller slopes. The bigger the number, so 2, 4, 10, whatever, this gets steeper. The same thing happens in this direction. These get steeper as well. And this is actually a really short lesson. It does involve calculations, but we're going to finish this topic right now. You're asked to tell whether lines are parallel or perpendicular or neither. And the way to do this, if lines are parallel, they have the same slope, so the same value. If lines are perpendicular, they have the opposite and reciprocal value. So that would be 4, maybe a slope of 4, and a perpendicular line would have another one would have a slope of -1/4 because it looks like this. So one's going this way, one's going this way. This would be the 4. This is the -1/4. Those lines are perpendicular.